5 signs of a worn timing belt. Autodoc. Please note, the timing cover needs to be removed before inspection. In some cases, accessing it may be difficult, so you'll need to remove some engine accessories. Now, you're all set to diagnose the component. Let's begin. 5 signs of a worn timing belt. Sign number 1. The timing belt is stretched. This can manifest itself in difficulty starting the engine running rough, power loss, and increased fuel consumption. A significantly stretched timing belt can jump one or several teeth on the mating gears. This causes valve timing to fail, resulting in incorrect engine operation. Check the condition of the belt by inspecting the timing marks. Check if the tensioner mechanism is at the right degree of tension. Sign number 2. Leaks from under the timing cover. Visible leakage, oil stains, and dirt buildup near the timing belt can mean oil and other technical fluids have gotten on the belt. Oil, antifreeze, and other technical fluids negatively affect the belt, causing it to break faster. Furthermore, if fluid gets on the belt and other timing components, the chances of the belt slipping are higher. Check oil seals on all parts: the crankshaft, camshaft, and coolant pump. Before fitting a new timing belt, fix the cause of the leak. Autodoc app. All car parts at the lowest prices on your phone. Try it for yourself. Sign number 3. Strange sounds coming from the timing belt. Squealing or grinding sounds can occur if the belt is badly worn or misaligned, if the bearing is jammed, or if the water pump has failed. In this case, the noise level depends directly on the engine speed. As the speed increases, the sounds increase in volume and frequency. Tip: if you're not sure whether the noise is coming from the timing belt or the drive belt, remove the drive belt to check. Sign number 4. Damaged timing belt. Signs of damage include cracks, fraying, surface delamination, tooth wear, and fiber breakage. The component must be replaced, even if only the edge is worn. Inspect the rest of the timing mechanism and install new parts if necessary. Sign number 5. Incorrect timing belt position. This is indicated by axial movement of the belt in relation to the pulleys. This can be caused by incorrect installation of the component or failure of the tensioner pulley. A timing belt in the wrong position causes uneven wear, constant overheating, and even breakage. On average, the timing belt should be replaced every 80,000 to 100,000 kilometers, or every 5 years, whichever comes first. If the vehicle isn't used often and the mileage is low, the belt will become dry and, due to being tensioned, brittle.